So it's time to start cleaning up this property. We have an old boat right here, and we want to see what's under it. So we're going to try to carefully lift the boat and see what's hidden underneath. It's really scary because there could be snakes and giant spiders and
armadillos.
Who knows? So let's lift this thing up carefully and see what we find.
This boat has an expiration sticker of 1998.
Anything?
No. Okay. Wow. There's actually like nothing under there. Hello, guy.
Well, we're not trying to disrupt his home, but we gotta clean up the property.
It is. There's a hole that he's going in right there. Have you ever seen such a thing?
No.
It's so cool.
There's like a beetle crawling on it.
What? Okay. So cool. They're so neat. I like them.
Now, many of you guys know we bought a new property, and this property came with a big mess. So today we're gonna start cleaning that up. We ordered a dumpster, so we're ready to go. Just cleaning up the outside of a property can make such a big impact. That's something we really enjoy doing. Not just cleaning up debris and garbage, but also maintaining the overgrown weeds and trees and just really clearing out a property. It makes a huge transformation. While we're working on our house renovation, we're also going to be working out here in the yard, just making it beautiful. The best that we can, at least. That's why we're starting here with the trash. Get the trash out of here, then we can tackle some of the weeds. I think you guys get it. So we're going to pull the boat out, pull all this trash out. We got a trampoline back here. I don't know how we're going to handle all this, but we'll do our best. nice chair. I might save that. Yeah, it doesn't feel stuck. I think you're just slipping on the grass. We're making big progress today and almost done cleaning up. Ashley's tied up to a fence panel and some trash, so hopefully she can pull that out with the mower. We can't wait to share the dumpster. This thing is filling up fast. We can't believe how much trash was on this property.
Yeah.
But we're getting it done.
Good idea. It'd be annoying to bring this stuff over piece by piece.
Hopefully it can handle it. Can you throw away a little tire like that?
Yeah. Let's try it. What makes that noise?
Weird. Look at this mess. We just about filled this dumpster with all kinds of junk. Wow. This is our new home that we just bought. It sits on piers, blocks basically, and probably 4 feet off the ground in some spots. It's just up on blocks basically. And over time something happened and the house is so unlevel. We want to start with the foundation and the roof before we do anything inside, because we did that kind of backwards in our previous home and it just causes problems. So we need a solid roof and foundation before it's even worth touching the inside. The house is scary. Who likes crawling in a crawl space? Nobody. So our idea is to go ahead and pull all the skirting off the house, all the skirting, lattice, everything that's on the outside. What that's going to do is let all kinds of air and light under the house, so it's not as gross feeling instead of crawling into a dark cave.
Yeah.
making big progress. We got most of the skirting pulled down and light and air getting under the house, which is good because that means it's gonna be easier for us to get under there. It actually doesn't look that bad. Not too many spider webs, nothing too creepy. Just on the outside here, I see a hole chewed in the ductwork, and that means there's probably mice got in to the ductwork. Wow. And there's the floor. I mean, you have to admit, that looks pretty good actually. Well guys, I think we are done. Check this out. We have a little bit of concrete left over that we will find a place for. But this is looking good. This is where the boat was. The trampoline and debris everywhere. Ashley really got in there and cleaned it out. And then over here was a bunch more mess. There was fence panels and just junk and metal, a cooler, all kinds of stuff in here. We filled a 20-yard dumpster fast. Just filled it. There was insulation and drywall stuck in the bushes over there.
That was annoying.
Just mess everywhere. We also got rid of that nasty green swing that was in our yard. You might have seen that. It was like just a rocker.
Yeah.
And we took apart the swing set, but we had to keep part of it because our children just are having too much fun on it. So we left one swing for them to play with. We got rid of some stuff out of the house, some leftover furniture that was just no good, and even had some space for some demo debris because I've already started some demo work, just light work, just getting the house usable basically. So we had to pull some stuff out to make it better. So you can see pretty well full and full of trash. So as you can see behind me, that's actually the leftover of the green rocker that was in our yard.
It was so disgusting.
We threw away the chair part because it was the worst, but the wood part I didn't throw away because, I don't know, it actually is pretty sturdy and it just seemed, I don't know, I just didn't feel like throwing it away yet, so we're going to hold on to it. We also got the trampoline ring on the ground back there. You might be able to see the edge of it. We took the trampoline
fabric
off and we're gonna get rid of the metal separately. But yeah, that's it. So it's amazing how much trash a property can hold and you don't even see it. Like a little bit of that came out of the house, but basically 20 yards of trash.
And that stuff has probably been back there for
just laying on the ground
a long time.
That's sad. That's really sad. And we're glad that we're here and that we can clean it up because that's what we do. We bring properties back to life, and it's a lot of fun doing it, watching it transform and cleaning up this mess and doing stuff that a lot of people wouldn't do, as evidenced by the fact that it's here to begin with.
Yeah.
We're going to keep working, we're going to keep cleaning it up, and it's going to be awesome when it's done, so stay tuned. We appreciate you guys following along and being with us, and until next time, take care.
Bye.